activity today. Keep on watching! Our destination, and then
let the journey begin.
Yes, let it
okay.
Stay. So guys, if you going you will get this keychain, and it's only 3,000 rupiahs. Is too cheap for a college student, and it's worth it.
That's too colorful in here, and I remembered one of film made by Bayuskak. The title is Yowis Ben. Hello Bayuskak, I'm here. That's too colorful and beautiful.
Ini mau temen gitu nggak apa-apa sih?
Say hi guys.
So this is the first spot, and you can see all the umbrellas in here.
Is it too colorful? So check it out guys, cause it's colorful.
I see what you're wearing, there's nothing beneath.
Guys, at first we're gonna going to lunch at the Warung Pecel Bujum, but suddenly we don't know that Warung Pecel Bujum is changed with meatball
and rujak.
So that's the funny things.
When Bayuskak take a shoot the film,
We're going here because the Jembatan Kaca is closed and it's not available for 2 weeks. The people say 2 weeks not open, and we're gonna go.
Local people, but this place. Okay. Let me memorable. How about economic condition and before and after this place, about the innovation for this place.
tickets only 3,000 rupees too, same as Kampung. We have
And here there are so many more spots before than the second one. And here we can find so many like culture like wayang and each other. So many.
and if the Kampung give us keychain,
We got stickers. Make sure to check it out, okay? Because this has so many spots for you to, take a photo or make a video even like this. Right?
My name is Pablo.
Pablo.
Yes.
where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Oh.
You know where is Turkey?
Yes.
Okay, from Istanbul. Yes.
What are you doing in Indonesia?
Actually, I arrived 2 weeks ago to Bali, and I went to Nusa Penida.
Oh,
Then I came back to Bali, and I came to Java, to Banyuwangi, to hike to Ijen, and then I went to Probolinggo, hiking to Bromo, and yesterday we arrived with my friend here to Malang.
that's great.
Yeah, and I'm going to travel till end of this month till Bandung.
So what do you think about Kampung Warna-Warni?
This is my first time. Just a couple minutes ago we arrived here.
Oh.
Just we are trying to explore. I don't know, but it looks very beautiful.
Is any kind of this like this village in Turkey?
In Turkey, no, I have never seen. We have villages in Turkey, but not like this, not colorful. More traditional villages, like old style. Yeah, we have some, but it's just touristic places. Yeah. Anything else?
I don't. It's okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. And you study
Yes.
University?
I study in University of Malang.
Malang?
So
Okay.
this is about our
Project?
assignment, yes,
Okay.
for our YouTube channel, not for our YouTube channel actually, about our faculty.
Okay, that's great. Are you going to share it in YouTube?
Yes, in YouTube.
Okay, then you have to give me your
Okay.
YouTube address, and I want to
So
see
the
how
YouTube
I
address
will
is Dolan.
No, I have to write it. I cannot keep in my
Okay.
mind. It's not easy.
I'll
Yeah.
give it you later after this.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to
Thank
meet you.
Nice
And nice to meet you, Mrs. Cameraman.
It's camera woman actually.
Yeah, camera.
Guys, we just arrived at the famous place in this village. It called apa? The Blue Wall.
So wait our photos in this channel. So Instagrammable.
And if you guys going here, don't forget to visit this place because it's very beautiful, it's very gorgeous, and
Instagrammable.
yes, Instagrammable actually.
Famous in Indonesia, but more colorful than in Spain.
Goodbye.
Its planning starts from February 2016, and aim of this event are change bad habits to good habits. We know that here are in the side of town. So one of student college in Malang want to change about bad habit to good habit, and then in May 2017 the place start build, and so in 2018 this place be famous in all around the country in the world. So if you want maze that's so colorful and Instagrammable too. For you that like in photography.
Before about the economic rates in this place. The economic rates of this place has risen very much so, and the people in here are no longer unemployed. They have started their own business and starting to earn their own money.
Finally, this is the end of our journey, guys, and but we will so happy fun. We will have so much fun in here. The place so higher in here, but we still have. So if you guys going here, don't forget to bring umbrella, cap, and don't forget to water.
And before coming here also, don't forget to use sunscreen.
Yes,
That's
this is so
essential.
hot. The water is very, very hot.
That is so essential.
Because in here is very many places, beautiful and wonderful, awesome. And one, don't forget bring your camera and free space about your memory card because you can take a lot of picture here and take a lot of video here. So yes, so this is it. This is the end of our journey and goodbye.